Stop typing one-sentence prompts into ChatGPT and then blaming the robot when it gives you oatmeal answers. If you've ever typed, "Write me an email, make me a picture," or "Give me ideas," and the answer was boring, generic, or weirdly dramatic, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to prompt ChatGPT so it actually gives you what you want. Think of ChatGPT like a very smart assistant who just walked into the room with zero context. It does not automatically know your goal, your audience, your tone, your job, your style, or what good looks like to you. The better your instructions, the better your output. So here's the beginner formula I want you to remember. Role, task, context, format, tone, example. That's the whole game. Here's a bad prompt. Write me an email. That's too vague. A better prompt is, act like a professional workplace communications assistant. Write a short email to my team explaining that our meeting is being moved to Friday. Keep it friendly, clear, and to the point. Use a professional tone, but don't make it sound overly formal. See the difference? You told ChatGPT who to be, what to do, who it's for, how it should sound, and what the final result should feel like. That is how you stop getting robot soup. Let's break down the formula. First, role. Tell ChatGPT who you want it to act as. For example, act like a career coach. Act like a YouTube scriptwriter. Act like a teacher explaining this to a beginner. Act like an epic analyst helping me write a professional email. Second, task. Tell it exactly what you want. Not help me with this. Say write, summarize, compare, rewrite, explain, create a checklist, or give me 10 ideas. Third, context. This is where the magic lives. Who is this for? Why do you need it? What background matters? What should it avoid? ChatGPT cannot read the room unless you build the room. Fourth, format. Tell it how you want the answer delivered. Say things like, put it in a table, give me bullet points, write it as a 3-minute video script, give me a subject line, email body, and closing. Make it a checklist I can copy and paste. Fifth, tone. This is huge. You can say, make it warm, but professional. Make it simple enough for a beginner. Make it funny, but not cheesy. Make it sound confident, not rude. Make it casual, like I'm texting a friend. Tone is the seasoning. Without it, you get plain boiled internet. The sixth piece is examples. If you want ChatGPT to write like you, give it something you've written before. Try this prompt. Here is an example of my writing style. Study the tone, sentence, length, and wording. Now rewrite the message below so it sounds like me. This is one of the easiest ways to stop your emails, captions, and posts from screaming, "I was born in an AI toaster." Also, when ChatGPT gives you something close but not perfect, don't start over. Follow up. Say, make it shorter, make it warmer, make it less formal. Give me 5 better versions. Make the opening stronger, remove the fluff. Prompting is not one magic sentence. It's a conversation. Here are the biggest do's and don'ts. Do give ChatGPT details. Don't say, make me a resume. Do say, create a resume summary for someone with 10 years of healthcare IT experience, epic experience, leadership skills, and project management background. Make it sound polished and confident. Do tell ChatGPT what you don't want. For example, don't use buzzwords. Don't make it too long. Don't sound salesy. Don't use complicated language. Do ask ChatGPT to improve your prompt. One of my favorite tricks is, before answering, ask me any questions you need to give me the best result. Or rewrite my prompt so it gets a better answer from ChatGPT. That little trick is prompt wizardry in a trench coat. Now let's talk about pictures. If you want better AI images, don't just say, make me a logo. That's too vague. Use this formula. Subject, style, setting, details, mood, colors, lighting, and format. For example, create a professional YouTube channel banner for a channel that teaches beginners how to use AI to save time and make money. Use a clean, modern text style, soft neon accents, a confident but friendly feel, laptop and AI icons, no clutter, wide banner format. For portraits or funny images, add details like realistic photo style, studio lighting, cinematic background, full body, funny but not cartoonish, keep the person's face accurate, make it printable quality. And always say what you don't want. No extra fingers, no blurry text, no distorted face, no random letters in the background. AI images love chaos unless you put a leash on the glitter dragon. So remember, the best ChatGPT prompts include who it should act as, what you want, the context, the format, the tone, and examples. Bad prompts give you average answers. Better prompts give you answers you can actually use. And once you learn how to prompt, ChatGPT stops feeling like a search box and starts feeling like an assistant. Save this video so you can use the formula later and follow for more beginner-friendly AI tips that actually help you save time.